Hey everyone, this is Desmond coming here with another video. Just wanted to share today's video. The topic is how to make money just sitting at home. Okay, so I guess you can kind of look at this a couple different ways. Like if I really wanted to make some money today, I'll cover that, and then we'll kind of look at some different platforms that you could do for like the longer run. Okay. So the first one is eBay. Um, it's got all the traffic going there. So if I had some things around the house that I'm no longer using, I would personally use eBay to see what the prices are going for, and then kind of just list it on there just to see if it sells or not. So that would be my first step. Well, not first step. This is just one option that you could do. Another option I would do is Craigslist. I would actually just type in Craigslist on Google, uh, find your area. I'm in Indianapolis, so this second listing right here, that'll be for Indianapolis. Um, I've sold some things on Craigslist, and I've never had any issues. Um, just keep in mind, um, usually when you're selling things on there, just be wary about. Sort of like if you don't feel comfortable, always make sure that you're meeting somebody in a safe location, and then if it's at your home, I would just have somebody near if you don't feel comfortable with meeting strangers. There's been times also that I would just leave something that I didn't really care about. I would just leave it on the porch, and then if the person wanted it, they could um, just leave the money under the mat, and then that would be another option for you that you could do. But always just make sure. Me personally, I always kind of like if I don't feel like having them come into my place, so we'll just meet at a public place, and then I would do the exchange there. Again, I personally haven't had any issues with Craigslist, and that brings me to my next platform, and then we'll discuss that. The other option is Facebook Marketplace. Again, it's really simple to list something on here. Okay, you just click on. Once you get onto Facebook, you're going to look for the house. That's going to be the marketplace. Again, another advantage to this is that Facebook has traffic. Um, Again, you're kind of limited as far. I mean, it doesn't have the worldwide reach like eBay, but the good thing is that if you're looking to get rid of something real quick, I've sold so many items on Facebook Marketplace, and I've never had any issues. Same thing what I was saying about Craigslist. If you don't feel comfortable, then make sure that somebody else is there with you, and then if you don't want them coming to your place, you can easily. I would just meet up like Starbucks or something like that. There's been plenty of times when I did transactions at Starbucks and never had any issues. So um, I've actually even sold my car on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, it's a great place to just sell all your stuff that you're not using. Um, so that would be my third choice, and then stay tuned for later on this week. We're gonna have some other options as far as how you can make money online. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and I'll see you on the next video.